I'm.
I'm.
I am.
I am.
I'm.
I
I have.
have.
I've.
I've.
You should speak aloud. I've.
I've.
I have.
I have.
I've.
I've.
I had.
I had.
I'd.
I'd.
I had.
I had.
I'd.
I'd.
I will.
I will.
I'll.
I
I would.
I would.
I'd.
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 I would.
I would.
I'd.
I'd.
You are.
You are.
You.
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 You have.
You have.
You.
You.
You have.
You have.
You.
You.
You had.
You had.
You'd.
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 You will.
You will.
You'll.
Ill.
You'll.
Ill.
You'll.
Fool.
You.
Fool.
Wool.
Fool.
You will.
You will.
You'll.
You'll.
You will.
You will.
You'll.
You'd.
You would.
You would.
You'd.
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 Y-O-O-D. You should speak. You would. Y-O-O-D. You would. Would.
Would.
Is.
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 H-E-Z. Is.
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 He has.
He has.
Is.
Is.
He has.
He has.
Is.
Is.
He is and he has is same. Is only. Is.
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 Ill.
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 H-E-L. Ill.
Heal.
Ill.
Heal.
He will.
He will.
Heal.
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 He would.
He would.
Heed.
Heed.
H-E-E-D. Heed. You should speak. Heed.
Heed.
He would.
He would.
Heed.
Heed.
He would.
He would.
Heed.
Heed.
She is.
She's.
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 She has.
She has.
She has.
She has.
She's.
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 She has.
She has.
She's.
She's.
She had.
She had.
She'd.
She'd.
She'd. Speak aloud. She'd.
She'd.
She'll.
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 S-H-E-L. You should pronounce it. She'll.
She'll.
She would.
She would.
She'd.
She'd.
S-H-E-D. You should pronounce it. She'd.
She'd.
She would.
She would.
She'd.
She'd.
It is.
It is.
It's.
It's.
It is.
It is.
It's.
It's.
It has.
It has.
It's.
It's.
It has.
It has.
It's.
It's.
Observe the difference between the it has and it's. It's should speak. It's. It's. It had.
It had.
It did.
It did.
It had.
It had.
It did.
It did.
It had.
It had.
It did.
It did.
It will.
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 It would.
It would.
It did.
It did.
We are.
We are.
We are.
What?
We are.
We are.
We are.
Who are.
You have.
We have.
We.
We.
We have.
We have.
We.
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 We have.
We have.
You.
You.
We had.
We had.
Weed.
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 We will.
We will.
Wheel.
Will.
Wheel.
Will.
W-E-L. You should pronounce it. We will. W-E-E-L. Pronounce it. Wheel.
Will.
We would.
We would.
Weed. W-E-E-D. Would pronounce it. They are.
They are.
They.
They.
They have.
They have.
They.
They.
They have.
They have.
They.
They.
They had.
They had.
They'd.
They.
They had.
They had.
They'd.
They.
They will.
They will.
They'll.
They.
They'll.
They.
They would.
They would.
They'd.
They.
They'd.
They.
Who is?
Who is.
Whose?
Whose.
Who is?
Who is.
Whose?
Whose.
Who are?
Who are.
Who?
Who.
Who are?
Who are.
Who?
Who.
Who has?
Who has.
Whose?
Whose.
W-H-O-O-Z. You will have to pronounce it. Who has?
Who has.
Whose?
Whose.
Whose?
Whose.
Who has?
Who has.
Whose?
Whose.
Who have?
Who have.
Who?
Who.
W-H-O-O-V. Who?
Who.
Who have?
We have.
Who?
Who.
We had.
We had.
Would.
Would.
We had.
We had.
We had should be pronounced as would.
Would.
Hood.
Would.
Hood.
Would.
We had.
We had.
We had.
We had.
Would.
Would.
That is.
That is.
That's.
That's.
That is.
That is.
That's.
That's.
Pronounce. That are.
That are.
That are.
That are.
Data.
That are.
Data.
That are.
Data.
That are.
That has.
That has.
That's.
That's.
That has.
That has.
That's.
That's.
That have. That have.
That have.
That have.
That have.
That have.
That have.
THTV. That have.
That have.
That had.
That had.
That'll.
That will.
That will.
That will.
That'll.
That will.
That'll.
That
That would.
That would.
That had.
That had.
That had.
That had.
Will have.
Will have.
Will be.
Will be.
Will be.
Will be.
WALLV. Will be.
Will be.
Shall have.
Shall have.
Shall we.
Shall be.
Shall we.
Shall be.
Would have.
Would have.
Would we.
Would be.
Should have.
Should have.
SHOULD. We only. Should you.
Should you.
Should have.
Should have.
Should you.
Should you.
May have.
May have.
May you.
May.
May you.
May.
May you.
May.
Might have.
Might have.
Might you.
Might you.
Can have.
Can have.
Can we.
Can we.
Can have.
Can have.
Can we.
Can we.
Can have.
Can have.
Can we.
Can we.
Could have.
Could have.
Could you.
Could you.
Could we.
Could we.
CHOLD. We only you will have to pronounce. Could we.
Could we.
Ought to have.
Ought to have.
Ought to.
Ought have.
Ought to.
Ought have.
Must have.
Must have.
Must we.
Must we.
MUSV. Must we only will have to pronounce. Must have.
Must
Must
have.
have.
Must have.
Must we.
Must we.
Must have.
Must have.
Must we.
Must we.
That's why you are not able to understand English movies. They will speak in this way pronunciation. Next, here is.
He is.
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 HIEZ. Is.
He is.
There is.
There is.
This.
These.
They are.
They are.
They are.
They are.
There's.
There's.
This.
This.
THEZ. These only will have to be pronounced. There has. These. They have.
They have.
THEV. They've.
They.
They had. They'd.
They.
They will.
They will.
They'll.
They.
They would.
They would.
THED. That. They would.
They would.
Red.
Red.
How is?
How is.
House.
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 How are?
However.
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 However. How has?
How has.
House.
House.
However.
However.
How has?
How has.
House.
House.
How has?
How has.
House.
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 They had.
They had.
They'd.
They.
They will.
They will.
They'd.
They.
How will?
How will.
Howl.
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 How will?
How will.
Howl.
How will.
You how would?
How would.
Howed.
Howard.
Howed.
Howard.
What is?
What is.
What's?
What's.
What's?
What's.
What's?
What's.
What are?
What are.
What are?
What are.
What has?
What has.
What has?
What is.
What have?
What have.
What you?
What you.
What you?
What you.
What you?
What you.
What had?
What has.
What did?
What did.
What ill?
What ill.
What ill?
What did.
What would?
What would.
What had?
What did.
WHTD. Only will have to pronounce what would do. What WHTD only. What had?
What did.
What would?
What would.
What had?
What did.
What would?
What would.
What had?
What did.
When is?
When is.
When's?
When's.
WHENZ only will have to pronounce. When is?
When is.
When's?
When's.
When are?
When are.
When are?
When are.
When has?
When has.
When's?
When's.
When's?
When's.
When have?
When have.
When you?
When have.
When had?
When had.
When?
When.
When will?
When will.
When will?
When will.
When would?
When would.
When?
When.
WHEND. When only. Next. Generative structures you will have to use 12th. What is that? Next 22. Use it. You will have to use generative structures. I am looking at the picture.
I am looking at the picture.
Observe the preposition. I am looking at the picture.
I am looking at the picture.
I am not going away.
I am not going away.
He is just beginning to do it.
He just beginning to read.
Pronounce it. Hey, buddy, do it. He is just
He just
beginning to do it.
begin to read.
He is not reporting the depth.
He is not recording the depth.
is not reporting the theft.
He is not reporting the theft.
He is not reporting the theft.
He is not reporting the theft.
She is cooking our food.
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 She is not teaching him to read.
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 It is getting hot.
It is getting hot.
It is getting hot.
It is getting
That
hot.
is allowed, then only you will to speak. Though you are going English medium school, you are not able to speak because of your vocal cords are not habituated to speaking English.
You are washing the dishes.
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 We are not cutting it short.
We are not cutting it short.
Short is an adjective. We are not cutting it short.
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 You are helping him lift it.
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 You are helping him to lift it.
You are helping him lift it.
You are not forcing him to go.
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 They are running low on provisions.
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 They are not doing their best.
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 I was learning to drive.
I am not carrying the box.
He was having breakfast.
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 He was not trying to impress her.
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 She was running to help him.
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 She was not getting ready.
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 It was sinking to the bottom.
She was sinking to the bottom.
It was sinking to the bottom.
It was sinking to the
It
bottom.
was sinking to the bottom.
It was sinking to the bottom.
It was not shining as it used to.
It was not shining as it used
It
to.
was not shining as it used to.
It was not shining as it used to.
It was not shining as it used to.
It was not shining as it used to.
We are showing that.
We are showing that.
We are showing that.
We are showing that.
We were not planning for a holiday.
We are 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 not planning for a holiday.
You are putting your watch on.
You are putting your watch
You
on.
are putting your watch on.
You 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 are not explaining to her.
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 They were feeling very discouraged.
They are feeling very discouraged.
They were feeling very discouraged.
They were feeling very discouraged.
They were not going there on business.
They were not doing their business.
They were not going on business.
They were not going on.
Speak aloud. Why do you become mama like not going on business?
They were not going on business.
They were not going on business.
They were not going on business.
I am a writer.
I'm a
I
writer.
am not a soldier.
Not a soldier.
He is a friend of mine.
He is a friend of mine.
He is a friend of mine.
He is
Speak
a friend of
aloud.
mine.
He is a friend of mine.
He is a friend of mine.
He is not a neighbor.
He is not a neighbor.
She is a nice looking girl.
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 She is the girl I wanted to see.
She is the girl I wanted to see.
She is the girl I wanted to send him out.
He is the sister.
Slow it. I am afraid of dogs.
I am.
Don't do. Speak aloud. I am afraid of dogs. Of is the preposition. I am not satisfied with this report. I am not satisfied with this report. It is a preposition. He is not courteous to others. He is not courteous to others. To is a preposition. He is not courteous to others. To is preposition. She is not sad at all. She is not sad at all. Yet is preposition. She is not sad at all. Yet is preposition. It is too heavy to lift. It is too heavy to lift. To and to are both are prepositions. To and to are both prepositions. We are pleased to meet. We are pleased to meet you. To meet is infinitive sign. To infinitive sign. We are pleased to meet. After to, V1 will come. We are not sorry about that. We are not sorry about that. We are not sorry about that. Here about is the preposition. We are not sorry about that. We are not sorry about that. We are calm about it. Here also about is the preposition. They are not polite to us. They are not polite to us. To is preposition. They are not polite to us. They are not polite to us. I was upset over that. Over is preposition. I was upset over that. Over is preposition. He was not worse at all. Yet is preposition. He was not worse at all. It was not as simple as that. It was not as simple as that. It was not as simple as that. First preposition adverb, second as preposition. First as is an adverb, second as is preposition. As that. Before that is as is preposition. We were proud of them. Half is preposition. Half is preposition. Preposition is a word which comes before a noun or noun-like words. Noun or noun-like words. Before noun, pronoun and gerunds, the preposition will come. Pre plus position is the preposition. Pre plus position is the preposition. Position of before nouns. Before nouns is called preposition. The box was full of things. Half is the preposition. The box was full of the things. We were not right about that. We were not right about that. About here, about is the preposition. This sort of thing is not common. This sort of S-O-R-T. This sort of thing is not common. Half is the preposition. Half is the preposition. Half is the preposition. I am behind the door. I am behind the door. Behind is the preposition. Behind is the preposition. I am not by the window. By is the preposition. I am not by the window. Window pakkan lenadi Telugulo. I am not by the window. He is in a good mood. In is a preposition. He is in a good mood. She is at the back of the room. She is at the back of the room. At is the preposition. She is at the back of the room. She is not from my place. From is the preposition. She is not from my place. She is not from my place. It is by the side of the library. For writing and reading also. You are not at the end of this course. You are not at the end of the course. That is the preparation. You are not at the end of the course.